Hiya guys, welcome back to another video. So I've got a really exciting parcel to share with you that's arrived today. So this is from AliExpress, but I am waiting on one other thing to arrive as well. But I was so excited to share this with you guys that I couldn't wait for the other things to arrive. I've been dying to get one of these for so long. And it is... It is an airbrush machine. I love these. And not only did I get that, I also got a pack of 24 airbrush stencils as well. We'll take a look at them in a minute. I've also ordered some airbrush paints to go with it. A pack of 24 airbrush paints. And that's what I'm waiting still to arrive, but they should be with me any day. For anyone that hasn't heard of AliExpress, AliExpress is an online marketplace. They sell pretty much everything on there, from nail stuff to beauty supplies, pet supplies, clothing, shoes, automobile stuff, electrical items, homeware, toys. They pretty much sell everything, guys. And their prices are so affordable as well. Even though their prices are already affordable, I've also got some amazing discount codes, which I'm going to leave in my description box below. Now, you'll see in my description box, I've got quite a few different codes to use. I'm hoping the way I've explained it in my description box, it makes sense. But if anyone doesn't understand the codes in my description box, just leave me a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can and explain it a little bit better. But it is, I think it's quite easy to understand. So, yeah, let's have a little look at this, shall we? So excited! So it comes in this beautiful box. Love it. And we've got the user manual here. Nice thick user manual as well. So it comes in all different languages. Portuguese, Spanish, Chinese. So many different languages it comes in. French. We've also got obviously English as well. Shows you how to use, how to clean. So you can do a basic clean or a deep clean. They also provide the cleaning brushes as well. Super helpful. Love that. Not only do they provide the cleaning brushes, but they also provide a spare needle as well. Look at that. And then we've got also 2 of these spare. We've got the charging cable. I have already fully charged mine before I started recording this video. Always make sure, guys, if you buy anything that's rechargeable, always give it a full charge before you use it for the first time. If you go on and use it without giving it a first full charge, it doesn't do the batteries any good whatsoever. So this is the compressor, the main body. We've got 2 different cup sizes. This I won't use, it's far too big for what I need. It's nice that it does come with 2 different sizes though. This is the one that I'm going to use. So this is obviously the airbrush. So you screw that on there like that. These are so easy to put together and use, guys. So that's that. And then this goes on here. Like that. Remove the lid. So you pop your paint in here. You turn it on. So this is a Foreverlily airbrush machine. I did do a little bit of research into a few of the different ones. This had some really good reviews on it, and I did watch a couple of videos on YouTube as well about it, so I was really pleased to get that for the price that I did. So you charge it there. That's where you plug the charger in. To turn it on, hold your finger on this button and it will tell you that it's fully charged. So that's your battery, 20%, 50, 80, 100. So it's got 3 different pressures. We've got, I can't remember what the pressures are now. Does it say in here? Let me have a look. It might do. Charge time 3 to 5 hours. Yeah, no, it doesn't say what the PSIs are. I did read it on the listing, so I'll put a little insert in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, guys, of the different PSIs that this has. So you've got green, which is the lowest PSI. So you press that once, not a long press, just a short press, and it goes to red. So that is the highest PSI. And then we've got blue, which is a medium. So on the lowest, then the medium, and then the high. And it is ever so quiet. Really, really quiet. It feels really nice to hold as well. I'm so excited to use this. I'm going to be doing a video in the next couple of days of showing you how to use it. I'll also show you how to do a deep clean as well. So that's how you put it together. Like that. Shall we have a quick look at these stencils now as well? So it says 24 piece Y2K. Don't know why it says charms, because they're not. They're airbrush stencils. You've got the manufacturer's name and details there. Let's have a look at these. And this pack of 24, guys, was so cheap. Considering I was looking at individual stencils and they was all over £1 each, all of them. And I got this for, I think it was £2 something. Can't remember exactly, but it was cheap. I remember that. So we've got hearts. Oh, you can see these really well. I thought you weren't going to be able to see them. So we've got hearts. We've got stars and moons. We've got flowers, cherry blossom, roses. We've got some more flowers. We've got some French tips. We've got some lines. We have got some cats, bones, dogs, paw prints. They're cute. I like them. We've got some diamonds and crowns. This one is like skulls, aliens, like rips, tears. That's really cool as well. We've got some Halloween ones. Oh, I like them. Look at those. The little ghosties. Oh, they're so cool. Love them. We've got some Christmas ones. Oh, they're going to be really handy for Christmas. Look at the little gingerbread men. And the little reindeers. Oh, I love them as well. There's some really cool ones in here. We've got paw prints. We've got teddies. We've got rabbits. We've got fish, dolphins, waves. We have got circles, ovals, and butterflies. We've got some leaves. I don't know whether they're leaves or they look more like shells to me. I think they might be shells. I don't know. We've got flames. They're really handy because I do really struggle with flames. They're going to look really cool, like ombre, 2 different colours, aren't they? Can't beat an ombre with an airbrush machine. We've got anchors, padlocks, moustache, pipes. Oh, they're cool. Lippy lips. Love them. We've got some under the sea ones. They're cool. We've got some more leaves. Oh, I like these. Look at the little maple leaves. Oh, I like them. We've got, oh, flamingos, swans, birds, feathers. They're cool. We've got crosses, angel wings, devil forks. They're cool. We've got some more hearts, bows, arrows. Look at them sunglasses. Love heart sunglasses. They're cute. Oh, we're down to the last 2 now, guys. So we've got some snowflakes. They're going to be really, really handy. I like that you've got all different ones. Cool. And the last one is lightning bolts, arrows, stars. I really like them stars. They're really cool, aren't they? So that is all them. Now with these, what I like about these is you can use them 2 different ways. Now let me just show you, for instance. So if you want to airbrush around the star, You'll pull this star off like that and stick it on the nail and then airbrush round it. Or what you can do is, which I think is really, really cool, you can cut this star out. So you peel the backing off like that and then stick that on your nail like that, and you can spray the inside the star. So you can use them both ways. I think that is so cool. And I'm pretty sure you can reuse these as well. Obviously, as long as if they're still sticky, you can reuse them. Just give them a wipe over and reuse them. So I think that's really cool. So we've got all those. So there's 24 in there. I cannot get over the price of them, guys. They were so cheap. And I love how this comes with all the extra bits and bobs with it. The extra needle as well. The cleaning brushes. Love that. How cool is that, guys? Eee, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to have a little play with that. So, there we are, guys. That's everything for today's video. A nice short one for you. Just showing you a couple of things out of what I've got from AliExpress. Like I said earlier as well, I have got some airbrush paints coming any day now. So as soon as they arrive, I am going to do a video showing how to use this bad boy. And I'll also show you how to do a deep clean on it. And I'll show you how to use them stencils more. Yeah, we'll do a little design with it. I'm really, really excited to be doing some airbrush ombres. I just think they look so much more natural than any other way of doing ombres. So like I normally do, I am going to leave links to these items in my description box below. So if you are interested in any of these items, all you got to do is click the link and it will take you straight to the product. Do remember as well, guys, I've got those discount codes in my description box below. So however much your order does come to, make sure you pop the relevant discount code in the promo code box at checkout, and that will take the amount off your whole order. And yeah, that's everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.